Andres, La Loma, Quezon City. Way they go, speed maker, Mr. Environment. From the outside, rushing up his friends of Doc, moving up on the further outside is Pride of Cabanela, Montana, Polione, Forest, Old Danori inside Escapo. Winning bid also moving up is entry number 12, and this one is Careless, rather Carefree Treasure. Rounding the far turn, Speed Maker by about 3 lengths, Pride of Cabanela. Prince of Doc racing in third, moving up is winning bid Escapo. As they race the final corner, is Speed Maker, Pride of Cabanela, Prince of Doc Danori inside, winning bid in the middle, Escapo. On the further outside, it's now Prince of Doc winning bid, Escapo, Pride of Cabanela. Prince of Doc this time by about 3 lengths. And finally, Prince of Doc winning bid, Escapo, Pride of Cabanela, Harbor Magic, and Speed Maker.